everyone, welcome to Lena's Kitchen. Today I will share with you my homemade puff pastry recipe. In a ziploc or between two parchment paper, open your butter to get a square shape. Reserve it in fridge until we need it. Now it's time to make our dough. In a bowl, mix your flour, salt, oil, vinegar, and cold water. This recipe is accurate and exact. I have been using it for more than 20 years. Gather your dough with the cold water and work your dough a little bit until you get a soft and sticky dough. Don't overwork your dough. We don't want to develop gluten in our dough. Now it's time to roll our puff pastry. Open your dough all the way long to get a rectangle. Feel free to use a little bit of flour to avoid sticking our dough in our table. Now it's time to put our butter. Place your butter on the underside of your rectangle. Close your dough and turn it quarter turn. We call it un quart de tour. Roll your dough and open your rectangle again. Now we are rolling our dough and spreading our butter evenly inside our dough. We didn't do any tour yet. Now it's time to do our tourne double or double turn. Fold the top and the bottom of your dough, but they shouldn't meet in the middle. They should meet in the side of your dough. Turn your dough quarter turn and fold the left side on the top of your right side. And now you get one double turn. Always the side containing the fold should be in your right hand. Now we will roll one simple turn or tourne simple. Open your dough in a rectangular shape like we did before. Lift the bottom side and place the upper side on the top of the bottom side like an envelope. Look at those beautiful layers. Now my dough is ready to use. You can use it in the same day or save it in your fridge for 3 days and in your freezer for about 3 months. Hope my video was helpful. See you in the next video. Bye!